When geography becomes a barrier, innovation takes flight. Meet Zipline, the world's largest autonomous delivery network, powered entirely by electric drones.
Traversing that terrain to get to a rural village can take hours, even though it's a very short distance.
Today, if a mother is giving birth and suffers from postpartum hemorrhaging, her life is dependent on getting a blood transfusion.
There are many different types of blood types. They have a limited shelf life. And the challenge is when you need blood, you need it immediately. But it is unpredictable which geography that will occur in.
Hospitals that are in more remote areas can have a very hard time getting enough reliably supplied blood.
The service that Zipline provides allows any doctor or nurse anywhere in the country to basically send a text message and get the product that they need 15 to 30 minutes later.
Since 2016, Zipline has revolutionized logistics across Africa, delivering essential medicines, vaccines, and blood to the hardest to reach communities.
Zipline is divided into different teams. We have the flight ops who care about pre-flighting planes, packing, loading the packages, and make sure that plane can fly. And then we have health ops. You can include more of the people with the knowledge of the blood product.
We make order to Zipline by using SMS or by using WhatsApp.
The package is handed to flight ops. We scan the package and that's when we put the vehicle on the launcher. The vehicle will fly autonomously up to the hospital.
In Rwanda and Ghana alone, Zipline serves over 800 hospitals, completing 1.4 million deliveries and covering 100 million miles.
So for products like emergency medication, we have ranging from anti-snake venom that are used in cases of snake bites. So a typical scenario is if a farmer is going to the farm and is bitten by a snake and reports to the nearest health facility, they call quickly on Zipline and we can send that product as soon as possible. Within 5 minutes, the product is out of the Zipline distribution center to make the delivery. This is the first center that was set up in Ghana.
A lot of impact stories that have proven that this technology is here to stay. Why am I saying this? We've had a woman who was in labor in one of the hard-to-reach areas where we deliver healthcare commodities, and it was difficult to get oxytocin for her to ensure that she delivered safely because they needed to induce the labor. And it took just about 10 minutes. For them, they called us for this medication, and it took us just 10 minutes to deliver to this woman. And a life was saved. 2 lives, if you like, because the woman and the baby.
During the COVID-19 surge in 2020, an estimated 2 billion people lacked access to basic medicines, partly because they live in remote locations. To help solve this problem, drone company Zipline pioneered medical deliveries to rural communities in Rwanda and Ghana. Its lightweight drones deliver vital packages to clinics up to 85 kilometers away. What once took hours by road now takes minutes by air, saving lives daily.
Iyo nabona ayo maraso nari gushobora gupfa. Igihe kuva basaba amaraso n'igihe yatugereyeho nta minota 5 irimo.
Nabona ayo maraso kumva naritavye Imana ko ari yagize umuntu.
We can avoid expiries, we can avoid stockout because the supply chain has improved. Blood is life. It is saving life for Rwandans.
Beyond delivery, Zipline invests in local talent, training African engineers, pharmacists, and drone operators. It's not just delivering packages, it's delivering possibilities. Zipline, proof that Africa's geography can inspire, not limit, innovation.